Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Shein with Shopify and import Shein products to your own Shopify so that you can start doing dropshipping on Shopify from Shein. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, is to download an app that will help you do this, okay? So the app is available on Shopify App Store. Now, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now, the app that we are going to use is paid, but it has a free plan, okay? There are multiple free apps, but they don't really work, like the importing data, they make a lot of mistakes when you are trying to import products from Shein to Shopify. Like the product information is not accurate. So what you need to do, guys, is to download this app that will help you. It's called Importify. As you can see, it will help you import products and like I said, import products from Shein to Shopify. As you can see, it's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. Okay, click on it. Click on install. Like I said, this one has only 1 day free trial. Now you want to click on install. Click again on install here. Now after you install it, you want to then select the plan. Select which plan you want, and then add your credit card information if you haven't done that already, and it will give you 1 day free trial. They will not charge your card until you use the 1 day free plan. Okay, now after you install the app, now what you guys need to do is want to go to we want to open a new tab and search for Importify extension. Okay, we need to download this extension that will help us import products from Shein. Now, as you can see, it's called Importify Product Importer. Click on Add to Chrome. Click again on Add Extension, and make sure you pin the extension in the top. Okay. Now, what you need to do, guys, is just need to click on this extensions icon in the top, and then click on Pin. As you can see here, pin, and that's it. Okay. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Shein, and you want to find a product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. Now I would like to import, let's say hoodies. Okay. Now I'm going to search for hoodies. So let's say that I want to import this product, okay, with different colors and different sizes. This will be imported easily to your Shopify store by clicking on the extension in the top that you just installed a few seconds ago, and then click on import now. Now you can also make some changes. For example, if you don't like this title, maybe it's too long or anything like that, you can change it. Okay, here you can also product cost. As you can see here, I'm going to close this. You can also change the product cost. You just click this one, and then you can edit the product cost, and also price on the store. As you can see, the product price listed in your store. Compare at price on store, as you can see. Now here, or it says description here in the top, you can also customize this. You can change it if you want. Here variants, it has make sure you select the first one, import all variants automatically. And here images, you can click here where it says select all, so it will select all the images. Now go back to product and scroll down and click on add to store. Now as you can see, it says here adding product to your store. Now this will take, I would say, 5 seconds for the product to appear on your Shopify store. Now you want to click on view, and as you can see, you have successfully imported the product from Shein to Shopify. Okay. Also, if you want to add the reviews, as you can see, I have added the review, as you can see, reviews app, so that people will trust the product and purchase from you. So if you want to add reviews, click the video in the screen. And if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to the comments and tell me exactly what are your questions are, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. So watch this video in the screen to learn how to add reviews to your products on Shopify. See you guys next one.